Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your sunroof glass on a 2017 Honda Civic. If you're wondering about the seal and the glass are all one assembly, so even if just your seal is messed up and you want to fix it, you're going to have to replace the whole thing. And you can get this glass at your local Honda dealership. Taking your sunroof out is really easy. All you need is a T25 Torx bit. If you don't have a whole Torx bit set, you can buy just single bits on Amazon, and I'll link to this one in the description below. And so we're on the inside of the car looking up at the sunroof, and you'll see these two tabs, and behind each one, just take your T25 Torx bit and remove each of the bolts. And do the same on the other side also. And then once you have all four bolts out, take one hand and go underneath the glass and the other above, and just lift up on it. And then take both hands on top and just pick up on the glass. And then take your new glass and gently place it back into the hole. And then when you go to tighten the glass back up, the bolts on the inside, it's best to have two people when you're doing this. Have someone in the car and have someone on the outside of the car, and they're going to want to take their hand and push up on the glass to make it flush with the edge of the panel. Because if you just go in there and tighten it up, you can see how it's sunk below the edge. So you want to have someone out here pushing to level it out, and then have someone else tighten the bolt. That way it's nice and flush against the panel. And that's it guys. That's how you replace your sunroof glass. Thanks for watching.